Okay, sup, all my TBNR fam. This is a fucking car. Shit. First car of the day. I'm not spinning off. This is a interjection of what I can do flat. First, this is Michael, by the way. He's helping me. What should I do first?
360 flat.
Okay, there might be a few attempts.
Yeah.
You gotta move back.
We just edit out the attempts.
Huh?
Yeah, I can see. We just edit out the attempts.
Or like cut to the chase.
Yeah, go.
Attempt 1 because I suck. Where's your scooter? Oh, back there. Close. Are we going to skate park tomorrow? Yeah, we are. So I'll bring you back then too. Okay, no, fuck 360 flat. I'm getting too dizzy. I'll tell you what.
Okay.
Is that a car coming? No, it's no. And yes, I'm getting you scooter. Oh, I'll break a line. Tail whip, 180, roll back, tail whip, keep roll back, 180. Right, one more attempt of that 360 flat.